Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today's video is going to be kind of like a celebration of my new Pomeranian puppy Prince. Here is a little clip of him. He has been keeping me super busy, so I haven't had a ton of time for art, but we're going to make some Pomeranian resin keychains today in kind of honor of him. So here I have about 5 ounces of clear resin. I added 4 drops of orange alcohol ink, and now I'm going to add in some orange glitter. You can get this glitter from Let's Resin. It comes in a set of about 12 different colors, I want to say. So if you're looking for a set of glitter with a bunch of different colors, definitely check out this set. I'll link it down below. You can get it off Amazon from Let's Resin, and I'm just going to mix that really well. When I use glitter like this, I like to add a few drops of the same color of alcohol ink because it's going to build up the color of that glitter, and that way too, if any of your glitter sinks, it's not going to be noticeable because you're going to have that little touch of color from the alcohol ink. So I wanted to share that with you guys, and I also wanted to show you how much glitter I use. I haven't showed that in one of my videos in a while. I added about a tablespoon, and this was a 5-ounce cup of clear resin. So now we're going to fill up the molds. These molds do not take a ton of resin. I actually had quite a bit left over, so I would say you would need about 4 ounces to do 6 keychains like this. And I got these keychains off Etsy. I'll link them down below. I was just pouring a little bit. I wasn't filling the mold all the way, and I wanted to let it level out a bit on its own and kind of flow down into the legs and the paws. Those parts are pretty tiny, so I just wanted the resin to level out a bit instead of, filling up the mold all the way and then overfilling it. So I'm just going to kind of fill up a little bit more, and I'm going to go in with a smaller cup. You can get these cups from Let's Resin. I'll link them down below as well, and fill in the head, the paws, and the legs a little bit more because what I had poured in didn't quite fill up the molds all the way, but I wanted to use this cup because it gives you a nice controlled pour because of the little spout on the cup, and I wanted to use that to fill in the finer details on these molds. And I did mix up my resin off camera just to save time, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how I mix my resin, I will link one of my mixing tutorials down below in the description box. Be sure to go check it out. In that video, I show you step by step how to mix your resin, and I do it the same way every time. So I usually cut the mixing out of my videos because I like to keep my videos pretty straight and to the point. And that's really it. I let these sit for about 10 minutes, and then I went in with my heat gun to pop bubbles, let them dry overnight. Here they are the next day, getting ready to take them out of the mold. Super sparkly, super fun. Now we're going to attach the keychain hardware. You can get all of this hardware off Amazon. I'll link everything down below. Here are the little keychains. I like to add these pretty heart beads to my keychains as well. So you're going to need some needle nose pliers. This little bead is optional, but I just take a little jump ring, attach that to the keychain, and then attach that to my resin piece. And then at the top, I take another jump ring, attach that to the heart, and then basically close it on the top loop of the keychain. And that's it. Super simple and easy. You have a beautiful, fun keychain. And this mold, it could pass as a different type of breed of dog too. An Alaskan Eskimo dog, Pomeranian, a few different ones come to mind when I look at this one, but super cute either way. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And here's a few other ones I made off camera. This black one is my blackjack glitter. You can get it from my Etsy shop. Super fun and easy to make these. You can get real creative by doing different colors in each of the molds as well. But let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll link all the materials down below in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.